Gong practice 155. Today is September 9th, 2020. Currently 8:25 or so p.m. Happy birthday to my sister April. Happy birthday. You're doing really well. I'm happy where things are going for you, and it just takes time. That's all it is. Little by little, day by day, we can become better, and you're doing it. And I'm happy to see it. And I love talking to you. And yeah, I'll just play today for you. So happy birthday, April. When I play later, it's all intention for you. This is just love from a brother to a sister. And so everyone else can just enjoy these frequencies that come out, these sounds that come out. Just gonna put 100%. There's no thought behind it. Just love, free flowing. So everybody else, welcome. Daily practice, Gong sound journey. Lie down if you like, eyes closed, noise canceling headphones is what I recommend. You can be wide awake if you like. You can watch the gong be struck if that's what you want to do, but I believe you get more out of it if you're just, eyes are closed and you're still and you become one with your surroundings, so the sound can just move around you and through you and let the sound do what it does. Yeah. Just let it do what it's supposed to do, and don't fight it, don't resist it. If you feel a need to sneeze or cough or something, let it happen. Just do it. You twitch, you feel tingling sensations, you hear different sounds, just whatever it is, just accept it. Don't focus on it. Just acknowledge it and let it move on. And then you can write about it afterwards. But just, you want to just experience the experience and just completely be the observer. However you want to do that. How I like to do it is I focus on my breath, always coming back to my breath. If my mind starts wandering, I just come back to my breath. How I like to breathe is I like to inhale through my nose and exhale out of my nose. But when I inhale through, excuse me. Right. Shoot. Well, apologies about that. I'm not going to hit stop and record and all that jazz, so it is what it is. Little tickle in my throat, I guess. Had to wash down. I had a little fig bar, and I think a little bit of the cookie crumb, whatever the outside of that fig bar. Then Nature's Made or Nature's something, Costco brand fig bar. Not Costco brand, but they carry at Costco. Anyway, that was in my throat, so water helped. Always drink plenty of water. Make sure you're washing down the food that you eat. That's just a lesson to be learned right now. So focus on your breath. I inhale through my nose and imagine my breath is a white light, and as it travels up my nose to the top of my head, and then it goes down my spine, filling my belly, filling my chest, and I pause for a moment, expanding that light, expanding the breath, taking in as much energy as possible. The air that we breathe is the energy that we need, and so we want to fill our body with that, fill our body with the light of love, the universal light of everything that is everything, because we're just energy beings. That's all we are. We're just containing these meat suits. So go ahead and expand that light. I know I washed it down, so I don't know what's going on. And then as you exhale, force the air down your chest, out of your belly, tighten your abs, get a physical connection to your breath leaving your body. Air goes up, but that compressed light goes down your spine, tailbone, legs, and feet. So it's two things happening at once. You're visualizing the light traveling down, so you're charging your entire body, and the breath is going up, taking out whatever it needed to take out, what it came in to clean out. That's the thing, is you're bringing in clean light, purify, and grab out the rubbish. And just grab it out and then get rid of it, you know. So that's what I do. Focus on your breath. I'm gonna play for 30 minutes. I'll wake you up when it's done. Again, happy birthday, April. I hope these sounds are soothing to you. I hope they bring to you what you need as you listen to it. Everybody else enjoy. Thanks. bring your attention back to yourself. Wiggling your fingers and toes, nice deep breath in through your nose. And let it all out. Welcoming yourself back into your body. Hopefully the sound was good for you. Happy birthday again, April. I love you. Hopefully the sound is what you needed. I believe it was, because I just let it flow through me. So call me after you listen to it and let me know what's up. Or even comment below. You could do that and let people know if you wanted to. You don't have to. No pressure at all whatsoever. Every day share the 5 principles of Reiki. Actually, just yesterday I haven't practiced Reiki in a while, and yesterday I was over Supernova Sarah's house and did some Reiki, and it's been a while since I was charged, and it was awesome. So now I gotta get my practice in more. Channeling energy, it's not me, I'm just a conduit, just understanding that we're all connected to the source, and we can spread the abundance of the universe to everybody if we decide to be free flowing. Like snow rains down on a mountain and covers it, and over time the ice melts, goes into a stream, and that stream turns into a creek, and a creek into a river, back to the ocean. The mighty source, where it all comes from. You gotta be a conduit. You don't have to be anything. I'm just saying, I have to be a conduit because I choose to be a conduit. I choose to be one to just let things flow through me. Abundance flows through me to others. I help where I can, and soon a lot's gonna come out. I'm just waiting. Just a couple more days, and then I'm gonna start typing. And these fingers are gonna hit the keyboard, and stuff's gonna come out that needs to come out. And the next step will start, because we're at that point where we need it to happen. Level of our consciousness is rising. There's more awareness. As a species, we're now coming to a better part of understanding. It's gonna be rough for a little bit. I hate to say that right now because my sister's birthday and all. Sorry, April, but I'm not saying you're gonna have anything rough. Don't worry about it at all. No worrying. 5 principles of Reiki. What I want to get to is that everything's gonna be good. Everything's gonna be good. Promise. It's all gonna be good. You just gotta go through some bad before you get to the good, the really good. It's like you don't know what you don't know what is good if you don't have bad. If there's nothing to compare to, there's no way to say one's better than the other or whatever. There's comparison. So without bad, you wouldn't know good. There'd just be, and really there is just being. There really is no bad or good. It's just your perception on it, and it's actually your thoughts on it, and in all actuality, it's just part of life. It's accepting it. But what I was getting at is there's going to be some bad stuff. Some darkness, but the light will prevail. The light will prevail for sure. I know it for sure. 100%. There's not 1 ounce of worry in me at all. I love it. Like I know it. Like I feel it. It's all gonna be great. In time. That's all it is. Little time. 5 principles of Reiki. Just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I'll be grateful. Just for today, I'll be kind to others, and just for today, I'll focus on my work. And today was fantastic. Let me tell you, like I said, I did some Reiki last night, which is awesome, channeling energy. I'm going to do it again on Saturday. Got to get my practice in. Got to start practicing that more because I think I can help more people. Not saying I think from an ego standpoint, but just knowing that energy can flow through me because I have, not I again as James, but just this body, and that's the way I reference it. I'm a tool to help. I'm a conduit. I'm a source, but I'm not the source. It just free flows through me. So excited about that. That was last night, charged up, and this morning got up, had yoga first thing in the morning, took care of some business phone calls and whatnot. Really great yoga, and I've just been so present. That's what's crazy too, is the last couple days, ever since Sunday, I think Sunday's when it really happened, was I got these new crystals, and maybe that's part of it. I'm not quite sure exactly, but there's so much calmness in my mind. It's just if I don't talk, there's nothing going on up there, and usually it's just non-stop noise, just constant pressure from myself telling me things that I need to get done, even though like I still have all the stuff I need to get done, but I have no worry. There's just, it's gone, and it's so amazing, and I'm just so excited for it, because the last couple of days, even though it's only been 3 days, it feels like weeks. I feel like everything that happened today, I was fully present for. I wasn't out, my mind wasn't wandering, it wasn't thinking other things. I was in the moment all day. Really just being in the moment. I don't know, something's different. And there's also something to do with on September 3rd, there was a reset, like the Earth's energy, Schumann resonance. Look into it. It's like the Earth should be vibrating like at 7.83 hertz is our frequency where we should be at, something around there. You can Google this stuff, and on September 3rd it like reset to like around 8 or something is what was being discussed yesterday with a friend of mine. I mean, just sharing, I don't know why that, but it's just, there's something different for sure. I feel it, maybe you feel it too. Hopefully you do, and the difference is vibrations are increasing as I play the gong, just helping bring positive vibrations to the sound, raising the vibrations, trying to help people help things free flow through you. And if you're not sure what the gong does, just Google real quick, or YouTube gong blood cells after sound bath, something like that, and you'll see what it does. It helps free flow. Stay hydrated. I drink Kong at 9.5 water. So does my sister. Good job, April. I'm glad you're drinking that water. It's awesome. I'm so excited for you. It's made a huge change in my life. I can tell anybody about anything more if you'd like about it. If you'd like to just comment below, I can hook you up with somebody and get you a machine. Not like get it, but they can sell it to you or whatever. A contact anyhow. So in my class, this isn't a class, maybe it should be a class. Maybe I should start teaching something. Perhaps I will soon. I mean, I know I will, because I'm writing a book. So teaching will happen soon, and I'm excited about that. I really am. This is going to be so amazing. Everything's so good. I'll end the video. Happy birthday again, April. I love you 100%. Thank you very much for everything we've done together, and everything you are. I appreciate you for who you are. Keep shining bright. And as I say to always, is laugh more, love more, and smile more. Smiling's infectious. And I know you have a beautiful smile, April. So happy birthday again. I love you. Love everybody else. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of it. Another video coming tomorrow, every single day for a year, unless I'm not able to, which in October I won't be able to. Like, I'm going to be out in the woods for a couple weeks, so no cell service, no internet. It's just like awesome, but I might be bringing my gong. I don't know, I got to build a gong case beforehand, maybe. I don't know if I can do that. I might have time. Got to figure it all out. I can make time. I can choose to make time if I wanted to do it. I guess I'm probably going to do it. Yeah. So that's my plan anyway. We'll see. Anyway, have a great day, evening, weekend, whatever it is for you. Whatever day you're watching this, I don't know. Thanks again.